Hey guys, in this practice we're going to use some tools over here in the toolbar on Microsoft Word. First, type your name normally. Second thing, it asks you to color the text over here, so you need to highlight it by selecting it all. You can also tap many times and then it selects everything. Then you choose a different color. You need to highlight this text, so also double tap or triple tap until you have everything selected. Then you highlight with this tool. Change the font, double tap or triple tap again. Choose a different font from here. Resize, same way. You can choose a different size from here, or probably use those tools to resize your text. Underline. Make it bold. And the last one is changing to italic.